OneDesk is a help desk software that promises to streamline your support operations, but is it really the best choice? There are plenty of options out there, like Freshdesk or Zendesk. So let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before buying OneDesk to help you make an informed decision. First up, the user interface. OneDesk has a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, especially when compared to some of its competitors like Zensk, which can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming with all its features. But OneDesk is simpler, and that might be a bonus for smaller teams or businesses that don't want to spend hours on training. Next thing, pricing. While OneDesk offers a variety of pricing tiers, it may feel a bit on the pricier side compared to Freshdesk, which has a more affordable entry plan. So, if you're a small business, the price difference could be something to keep in mind. However, for larger teams, OneDesk's pricing structure may prove to be more beneficial in the long run due to the comprehensive features it offers. The third thing to note is its automation capabilities. OneDesk does a good job at automating repetitive tasks, much like Zensk, but the downside is that its automation isn't as customizable as some other platforms. If your business needs highly tailored workflows, this might be a limitation. Moving on, integrations. OneDesk supports a variety of integrations with popular tools like Slack, CRM systems, and email platforms, but it doesn't have the vast number of integrations that Zendesk or Freshdesk offer. If your business relies heavily on specific software, this could be a deal breaker. The fifth thing to consider is reporting. OneDesk offers decent reporting tools, but it doesn't compare to Freshdesk's advanced analytics and reporting options, which can provide deeper insights into your team's performance. If data-driven decisions are key to your business, OneDesk's reports might feel a bit basic. Next thing, multi-channel support. OneDesk supports live chat, email, and phone support, but it doesn't offer social media integrations right out of the box, unlike Zendesk and Freshdesk, which might be a crucial feature if your company gets a lot of inquiries through social platforms. The seventh thing to know is the knowledge base functionality. OneDesk lets you build a knowledge base for customers to find self-help solutions, but it's not as robust as Zendesk's knowledge management system. If a fully fledged help center is something you prioritize, you may want to explore other options. Now, let's talk about customer support. OneDesk has good customer service, offering live chat, email, and phone support, but it's not available 24/7 like Zendesk. Depending on your business hours, this could be a critical consideration. The ninth thing is its scalability. OneDesk scales well with growing teams, but it may not be as feature-rich as Zendesk or Freshdesk when you need more complex features for a larger operation. If you're looking to scale quickly and need a platform that grows with you, be sure to compare these options. The 10th point, mobile experience. OneDesk offers mobile apps for support agents and customers, but its mobile experience isn't as smooth or feature complete as Freshdesk's. If your team is frequently on the go, this could impact efficiency. The 11th thing to know is its ticket management system. OneDesk offers a standard ticketing system, but it lacks some of the more advanced features found in Zendesk, such as automated ticket routing and priority levels. For businesses handling large volumes of tickets, this might feel limiting. Finally, the 12th thing to consider is its customization options. While OneDesk offers some customization, it doesn't allow for the same level of tailoring as Zendesk or Freshdesk, which have more robust customization and branding options. If you need to deeply customize your help desk software to reflect your company's unique processes, you might feel restricted with OneDesk. So, is OneDesk worth it? It's a solid choice for small to medium-sized businesses with a clean interface, decent automation, and good support options. But if you want a platform with more integrations, advanced reporting, or a more customizable experience, it might not be the best option for you. For a better solution, check out our recommended platform that you can try for free to see if it's the right fit for your business.